Hello Diogenes, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for this 2009 Kawasaki Ninja Ex650, 40,411 kilometers, and the price is $3888 plus HST and license. Motorcycle comes with a brand new tires, fully safety certified, up to date, fresh oil and new filter. Bike is stocks, plus they have a little modification at the end, which is you have the slider on the side, sound protector, and also you have a kid eliminator at the back. Bike is available. I understand that you want to finance it. I recommend it to you could finance it online with us, and then see if you can get approved. If you have more questions regarding to this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. And I'll be happy to assist you.